Exact value of trigonometric expressions. I'm Anil Kumar and I'll show you a technique to solve such a question. Evaluate cosecant 11 pi by 6 plus sine square minus 3 pi by 4 plus cos 23 pi by 3. First step is we need to figure out in which quadrant we are. So we'll do it for three different cases separately, right? So this is for first case, this is for the second one, this is for the third one, right? In the first case, we have pi divided into 6 portions. That means 3 here and 3 here. So it becomes 6, right? So these are all included, right? Okay. Now 3 here and 3 here. So we get 12 in all. When we say 11 pi by 6, we mean we are at that position. That is 11 pi by 6. So we are in quadrant 4. Now, as per the cos rule, which you know, cosecant is what? Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, so that will be negative, right? So we can write our expression now as equal to minus cosecant, and what is the related acute angle? Pi by 6, right? Pi by 6. So that is how we can write the first expression. The second one is sine square, and let us see what we get. Now here it is minus 3 pi by 4. So when we say minus 3 pi by 4, that means we are going to move clockwise in this case, correct? Now pi is divided into 4 portions, that means these are the portions, right? Minus 3 means from here 1, 2, and 3. So that is minus 3 pi by 4. So this is minus 3 pi by 4. You are in quadrant? You are in quadrant 3. So sine value has to be negative, right? So what do we have here is, we have square of this. Do you see? The square will make it positive. That's a different story. And what is the related acute angle? For us, the related acute angle or the reference angle is pi by 4. Correct? So we can write this as sine. Well, let me write minus here. Pi by 4 is the related acute angle. But since it is square, we have to write square here. So we'll get ultimately a positive value. Correct? Let's look into the last one, which is 23 pi by 3 of cosine. Now, when we have pi by 3, that means pi is divided into 3 portions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 23. 23 means 3 times 8 is 24. That means 1 less than 8 circles, correct? 1 less than 8 circles. That means ultimately, let me draw a bold line, will reach here, right? So that will mean 23 pi by 3, right? After 7 circles, this position. Do you see that? 7 circles plus this much will be this. Now cos is positive in quadrant 4, right? So we'll write positive, and our related acute angle is how much? Pi by 3. That is the acute angle with the horizontal, which is pi by 3, correct? So we'll write this as cos of pi by 3. So first step is we need to figure out where we are, in which quadrant we are. The second step is we have to use our special triangles. So 2 special triangles are required, which are, one has 2 of them in, and the other one, well, the special triangles are, as you know, pi by 4. So in pi by 4 sides are 1, this is square root 2, and then we have pi by 3, pi by 6, and pi by 2, sides 1, 2, and square root of 3. Let's fill in the values. Cosecant is a reciprocal of sine, pi by 6. Well, look from here, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosecant is reverse, so this is 2 over 1. So we'll write minus 2 for the first one, plus sine square. So we have to square this value. Pi by 4 is here. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so 1 over square root 2. So we have 1 over square root 2, and we'll square this, plus cos of pi by 3. Pi by 3, cos is 1 adjacent over 2. So 1 over 2, right? That's what we get. So we can write this as minus 2, and that is plus square root 2 squares 2, half, plus half. Is it okay? Half plus half is 1, right? Since half plus 1, half is 1, we have minus 2 plus 1. That gives us a value of minus 1. So this expression is equals to minus 1. So these are the steps involved in solving such questions. I hope you understand and appreciate it. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.